let's learn a super easy high bun today. So for that I'm starting off by backcombing the front ear to ear section and then cleaning the top layers and taking it towards the ponytail, right above the ponytail, and securing it with bob pins by crisscrossing the bob pins. And after that I'll secure it separately and then take a half amount of section from the rest and take it upwards and secure just right under the ponytail. Then I will take the rest of the section and I'll also secure that. Take the ponytail and then secure a padding right between where your front section meets the ponytail, and then secure it nicely. Then backcomb the rest of the ponytail and then just twist and mess the hair around the stuffing and secure in a way that your pins doesn't show through. And just I'll wrap the rest also and secure in a way that it looks good from the sides and the front and the back as well. And also to make the bun look more appealing, you can surely accessorize it with a crown that would look superb on this high bun. And that's it. That's all you have to do for this high bun.